Hi fellas and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make our own game using Scratch. It will be a pretty simple clicker. So there are two things. First we should find a sprite and a background that fits this topic, and second one, a game logic. Let's get it started and jump into Scratch. I will use the web version. Actually, you can download Scratch for instance from Microsoft Store, but it doesn't matter which one you use. So first of all, let's change our main character. By default we can see a cat named Sprite. Let's remove it and place something new. Just like that. Let's see. Click here on the cat's face and choose our new sprite. Orange. Great. It seems our sprite is too small. Okay. Here you can see a field where you can change the size of the picture, or to be correct, the sprite. So I'll scale our sprite 5 times and set the size to 500 pixels. Our main picture is already prepared. Moving on. Okay, we are heading to the variables tab. Basically, we should make a couple of variables, because we will have both score and auto clicker value. So make them and give them proper names. I'm writing here oranges and auto. By default, auto and oranges are equal to 0 because we need to upgrade it later and get automatic gathering of oranges. Next, let's choose evens and place here infinite loop like this, a block with a green flag clicked. Then go to Control and grab a forever loop. What's the point of this move? Let's return to variables and pick the block named change auto by 1. Okay. Now please pay attention to this. What happens if we run it with the green flag? Our score is immediately starts increasing. But let's fix it. Set the variable auto instead of 1. Pick up auto instead of 1. And then choose from the drop-down list the variable oranges. It will increase by the value of auto. Here we are. Auto clicker is ready. But we forgot about setting up our oranges. Every single time we click the green flag, our oranges and auto score should be reset. So let's place the block set auto and choose our oranges. Set auto and choose our oranges. Set it to 0. Do the same for auto. Boom, done. That white background is a bit uncomfortable, isn't it? Just hover over the background icon and select something special. Something that matches the vibe of our oranges clicker game. Maybe a garden or a sunny field, it's up to you. Here. And now let's test it. Okay. We are starting to develop our game logic. Let's imagine how it works. A user clicks on the sprite and then the amount of oranges changes. Here we have a special block. Place it when this sprite clicked. Okay, when the sprite clicked. Then go to variables and drag and drop the block change auto by 1. Here. But this time we select oranges instead. So here we are. Let's do a quick test. Click on the green flag. Here we go. Oranges is start increasing. Okay, pretty funny, but I need to break my mouse to get more oranges. We need a button to buy an auto clicker using oranges. Let's see what we can choose. And yep, here is the button I need. But I just imagined our user, and guess what? He didn't realize what the button is for. We can edit the button by adding text. Just click on costumes and pick the letter T to add some text. -10 oranges plus 1 auto. Here we go. But wait, how do we choose the text color? Here you can see the fill label. Set up your favorite color here. It could be yellow. Yellowish. Okay, now we should make sure we've selected exactly the button here, because each sprite has its own code. Don't forget about it. Again, when the sprite clicked, and now we build a simple checker. When the sprite clicked, and now place here from the control group block if then. If our amount of oranges is more than 9, so 10 or more, then we subtract 10 from oranges and add 1 to auto. So go to operators, choose the one that fitted, for example that one, and variables oranges. If oranges more than 9, change auto but oranges by -10, negative number, and change auto by 1. Okay, let's test it again. Click it until we have at least 10 oranges and click on a blue button. Okay, very funny. Look how impressive we are mining our oranges. Let's fix it. So pick our orange. We need code from the orange block and insert wait 1 second, this one block, and paste it into forever loop. Here we go. Let's test it again. Every second our score is getting bigger and we have some extra point to spend. We can see how it's increasing. Perfect. Okay guys, That was the simplest coder to build a clicker game. You can improve it on your own by making a new button that costs a much more or something extraordinary. Leave a comment what it could be, and now if you have enjoyed this video you can press the like button and subscribe to the channel. It will be a strong support for me. That was me, IT Elephant, and see you next time.